This might surprise you. 86% of SEO professionals are now using ChatGPT as their new marketing intern. But here's the thing. Most people barely scratch the surface of what's actually possible. If you're still spending hours on keyword research, content optimization, or competitor analysis, you're doing it wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take those hours and turn them into 15-minute tasks with the right ChatGPT prompts. Before we jump in, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we deliver the most up-to-date and reliable information on all things SEO and PPC directly to you. So you might be wondering, what's the difference between a ChatGPT SEO prompt versus any other type of prompt you might give it? A ChatGPT prompt for SEO is a specific set of instructions you provide ChatGPT, directing it to complete an SEO task as its response, like asking it to write a blog post or suggest keywords. It's like briefing an intern. You want to be as clear, concise, and specific as possible. So what makes for a good prompt that actually works for your SEO efforts? Let's break down the essential elements. Number 1, did you tell ChatGPT what role it's playing? Start by telling ChatGPT what role it's playing. This is a mistake I've personally made a ton of times. Never jump straight into your request. Instead of asking for keyword suggestions, tell it something like, "You're an experienced SEO strategist with expertise in local research." This context helps ChatGPT frame its response with the right tone and complexity level. Number 2, is your prompt as clear as possible? Again, I'm completely guilty of doing this too, but just because something's obvious doesn't mean that it's easy to do. Spell out what you need as clearly as possible. Don't ask for some blog ideas. Ask for 5 blog post titles in a bulleted list targeting the search phrase ChatGPT for B2B SEO, designed for a managerial level audience. The more specific you are, the more useful the output. Number 3, did you include your goal? When ChatGPT understands why you're asking, it can tailor its response accordingly. Are you trying to improve click-through rates, drive conversions, build authority? Say so. For example, write a meta description that improves CTR by emphasizing our product's cost-effectiveness compared to competitors. Number 4, did you add formatting specifications? Always include formatting requirements. Do you need a table, bullet points, a specific word count? If you want keyword research presented as a table with columns for search term, volume, and difficulty, say that up front. For example, write a 3-paragraph product description for a Shopify page using our company guidelines, targeting terms like jackets for cats, and using a bulleted list to include product features. Number 5, did you provide any additional documentation? Don't make ChatGPT guess what you're looking for. Feed it your brand guidelines or competitor content. If you have past work that performed well, include that too. Make sure to remind it about what it knows. ChatGPT can have a bad memory too. Number 6, did you provide examples? ChatGPT can do a lot of things, but it can't read your mind. If you have an idea in your head of what you're looking for, tell it. For example, format this content in a table with 3 columns using these 3 headings: search term, search volume, and keyword difficulty. Checking these elements when making your prompt will get you a far better output, whether you're asking for schema, new copy, or an entirely new blog. The more specific you are, the higher quality of content you'll unlock from ChatGPT. And they're also a really good way to start training your team to use AI as well. Now, here's something crucial about using AI for SEO content. Google has said that their focus is on content quality, not how it's produced. They've also confirmed the use of AI isn't against their guidelines as long as it's producing high-quality original content. Instead of worrying about the how of AI content generation, focus on the what. Generate quality content that actually helps your site's visitors. This means, as long as your ChatGPT-generated blog answers your users' questions, you're good to go. These 6 elements are your foundation for any ChatGPT SEO prompt. But knowing the theory is just the beginning. Let's say we want to use a ChatGPT SEO prompt to write our content to better target featured snippets. Featured snippets are short pieces of text that appear at the top of a search engine results page, also known as SERPs, designed to give users quick, direct answers. Ranking for featured snippets is a special skill that requires careful competitor analysis, keyword research, and strong content writing skills. To use ChatGPT for featured snippet optimization, you'll need target keywords, competitors, and content formatting. Try a prompt like this. In our comprehensive guide, you'll find 44 ready-to-use prompts that put these exact principles into action. We cover everything from content creation and keyword research to technical SEO and competitor analysis. The guide also includes advanced techniques like programmatic SEO templates and entity-based content enhancement, strategies that can scale your SEO efforts across hundreds or thousands of pages. Check out the full article on searchengineland.com, complete with copy-paste examples and real-world applications. You can find the link in the video description below. Remember, your competitors are already using these techniques, so try to integrate them into your own workflow and don't be afraid to make edits. This is just one way to use ChatGPT, not the only way to use it. If this video helped you rethink how you're using ChatGPT for SEO, let us know in the comments which prompt you're most excited to try. And as always, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and enable notifications so you don't miss out on a single one of our videos. And as always, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on a single one of our videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.